Hello, explorers. Welcome to RxRevelation. Introduction. Lopamide tablet is used in the treatment of diarrhea. It should not be used in patients with dysentery, diarrhea with blood. Main content: Lopamide, 2 mg. Uses: treatment of diarrhea. Take this medicine as advised by your doctor. Action: Lopamide tablet is an anti-diarrheal medication. It works by slowing down the contraction of the intestines, thereby decreasing the speed at which the contents pass through it. Side effects. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Common side effects are constipation, nausea, headache, stomach pain. Safety advice. Lopamide tablet may cause excessive drowsiness with alcohol. Lopamide tablet may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Lopamide tablet is safe to use during breastfeeding. Lopamide tablet may decrease alertness, affect your vision,